That looks like such a 5 pound.
It is, it is, it is.
I'm up here. He's going down though. He didn't want anything to do with it. Took me a second to kind of notice. Oh, he's coming back to you.
Yeah. All right, get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way.
That fish is gonna eat.
Can you pull it? Yes, please. First fish of the day, folks.
Up high.
High flyer.
Decent?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're normally nice up high. Hell yeah, dude. That's a good fish.
Yeah, that rod is just corked over.
Dude, that's sick. That's a good fish, bro. That was a nice mark.
Corked right over here. Probably a 25. Let him chill for a second. Let him chill.
Dude, that's a nice fish.
Oh yeah!
Let's go, dude.
Yes.
Dark one.
That's a corker right there.
Look at that fish.
Sebago be biting, buddy. Oh my goodness. Someone take a picture.
Look at that.
All right, first fish going back in, folks. I want to get my cell phone. Sebago, buddy.
Yeah, that's sick, dude.
High flyer. He's going right back down now, folks. Frick yes! Crushed it, folks. Crushed it. Did exactly what he was supposed to do. Oh, it's right on you! On you! On you! On you!
Mix of two baits.
He's gonna come to you. See, I was like, kind of like, I'm getting out of here. He's gonna eat you. Yeah, he's juiced. Come on.
I just like preemptively set the hook.
Come back. Yeah, he just turned. Oh my god, he's gonna eat it.
He wants to eat it on the fall. Come here. This jig is so heavy for this rod.
Oh gosh.
Come on!
Chasing hard, dude. Like, oh my god. Trying to eat it.
I know. Told him fucking ice is good.
No.
It's the last thing I need on my insurance.
Oh, these fish are already coming. Brandon Capano.
Oh, there's 2 fish down there. Come on.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm way up high. Dude.
Yeah, I know he's on me.
No, I'm going back down the other one down there. Or is that Brandon?
Hold on. Come on.
He's on you?
He's chasing me. He's being super. Oh, he just spooked. He's coming down to you. Brandon, there's 3 of them coming on your side, dude. Ah!
Oh my gosh, dude, I can't even tell what's what, dude.
Brandon, he's got to crush you.
Oh my god. That a fish up high?
Yep.
2 of them?
There's 2 of
Oh
them.
my god, dude. Oh yeah, he's coming. Dude, he's coming. He's gonna eat.
He's-
Oh my
he's
god,
soon.
he's gonna eat. Yup.
Small one.
Really?
Got him though.
Every time.
Oh, he's off.
Dude.
Ah! He was tiny. Like I set the hook and he moved a
I know,
bunch.
It looked just as big as the big.
Oh, my reel's frozen.
Dude, that one's gonna bite. Come on, dude.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, right here. Come on, right here. Dude,
Got him.
Nice. Pull.
Small one. There's another one down there though. Oh, you're not down,
Did you
right?
get the pull or not?
No, I got it. Get him! On the new flutter spoon, folks. Move that heater out of the way.
You want this out?
Yeah, pole too, I guess. It's funny.
That unit's so much bigger than mine.
That's the
Yeah.
XR.
Wow.
That's why I had to get a 10-inch auger.
Oh, yep. That's a nice one. Too.
Yes, boys.
That's a nice one too.
Oh, he's got the
What is that?
he's got the hole in his lip. You've seen that before?
No.
See, dude, that's crazy.
Get a picture.
bro.
Get a picture there. Get your cell phone.
That's crazy.
Another one on the new flutter spoon. Yes, sir. This one's got that hole in the mouth there, probably from being hooked before. Get it right in there. Number 2 going back in. Smashed it on the spoon, folks. It's here somehow.
Dang, showing me up.
Brandon just stole Wyatt's fish. Need help over there?
I think I'm good. Number 2.
Enhance. Still chasing.
Bait's so small too, dude.
Don't make me steal him.
Oh my.
Oh,
Dude, what?
yes, get.
What is wrong with my reel?
You still got the fish.
As if, dude. That's so burnt. Why is it doing that? 'Cause it's frozen?
It's frozen, yeah. Still frozen.
I can't believe
You need a fish to warm up that drag. There you go. Wyatt's finally hooked up.
I don't have the specialty like you guys, the heater.
Well, he's got another heater over there.
I can find my big one too.
A fight over here with the camera.
Just going that
Ah!
side. See?
No.
Gotta love it.
It's on you. On you. On you. On you. Hard. Hard, hard, hard.
Almost had it.
He got it.
Got him nice.
Just the lightest little bite, huh?
Nice.
Yeah. Now reel into him.
Won't even move. I'm not gonna just lose the tension. How deep am I?
30 feet. Keep going. Yeah, I'll boat flip him the rest of the way.
Oh, he's. Is that the leader on? Yeah, you get.
Yeah. What a show.
That's funny. Oh, I just had a random thought too with them small
Get his
ones.
eyes frozen.
If you randomly want to keep one, I do keep them for my dogs too.
All right. Yeah, you want to?
That one's pretty fat.
Brandon will take that fish if you want to keep it.
want it? You want it?
Can,
Here,
yeah.
here.
I'm not specifically keeping them, but
Reel froze up. Had to do the backtrack on it.
Luckily, we're not in 180.
You kidding me?
I got one on me right now.
Hey, get him. Go. I'm taking a break.
It's the Olympic sport.
Dude.
He's so finicky.
Oh. Dude.
Oh!
That's the move. Just
Yeah.
the slow.
Slow
step
grind, man. If I didn't have gloves on, that would have worked.
crazy what like the
Shacky
thermals
shack?
do.
Thinking about it. Before I run out of propane.
That's the better one, dude. I think.
Yeah, but he's not
not.
really engaged with me. He's engaged with you though.
Two of them want it.
Is that one a pie? Got him.
That's a better fish. Yeah, that's a better one.
Yeah. Brandon just had a chaser too. All right, I'm putting a swim bait on, I think. Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of them down there right
Wild
now.
Head shakes, bro.
Yeah, let me know if you need help.
Are you headed down?
I'm heading down the bottom, yeah. There's one on you though.
It's so much bigger
Look
than
in the
my
chin,
24.
chasing it up. Decent start to the day, and it's only 9 o'clock.
I'd say that sun's gonna come up and it's gonna get the W word
Mine-
and it's gonna get warmer, hopefully.
it's a
Um,
word.
We could also set up the shack right here and just block the wind, which can't hurt. Warm your hands, man.
Yeah, I didn't even know you had it going, bro.
It's been going the whole time.
I forgot.
Lots of chases today, folks. Not a ton of committals, but I think we're seeing some smaller fish, which is why they're not committing. And the sun's coming up, which might turn the bite on more or just completely off. We're gonna find out
Yeah.
here in about 20 minutes.
See you later, buddy. Oh, he's on Brandon.
Oh,
my
no!
That's a good fish.
That's a good, it's a good fish.
It's instant. Like. Feel good? Yeah. It was a pretty decent mark, actually.
Yeah, he messed with both of us for about
Dude.
2 minutes.
Oh, that was the one you were fishing?
Yeah, it's the same
Been
one.
hanging around for a while.
Yeah, wait till he burps. Yeah, when they do that, they're holding, he's older than you. Oh my goodness.
Go, get him. Double up.
No, come to you.
gosh, how did he not
I think he-
fall for that, dude? Yeah, I think that's a good one, dude.
Oh, there, he just lit up like a firework.
Yeah, I told you he's got a burp at 50. Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Show the camera.
Yep.
This one's today for me. Back in.
Nice one.
Brando's putting the smack down on him today.
You alright? You alright? Want me to open it up?
You know, fucking end it. I was on fire.
I thought you meant like the bike's on fire, not
No.
literally on
No, I
fire.
was on fire.
You good?
Yeah. But it just scared the piss out of me.
Yeah, don't touch the line.
No, I'm not. Loosen up your drag. Loosen up your drag.
Yeah, if he wants.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Moved
go.
on, yeah. Beautiful.
Beautiful
Here, I'll get a
Sebago.
picture for you. Squint a little bit more for
I
me.
was just saying, that's all right.
You're good. All right.
Nice. That's
Here.
6, 7.
Yeah, 27 probably. Getting mint. Come on. Got him! See, now I'm going to have to edit out that audio. Finally, after like what? 6 freaking hours?
You got the pole?
Yeah.
Good fit?
No. Winching him up here. I just can't be beat by Brandon today. I just can't.
Oh, my God, man. Fish.
Wasn't even recording that one. Yes, sir. Oh.
Until we start the public slander on Facebook and YouTube.
There we go. Another little squeaker. Go, go, go. You're always going to smoke it. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. He hit it, right? Got him. Slam him. Yes, sir.
Came on.
I just told you
I
to
hit him
set the
again. I
hook.
hit him again.
Oh my goodness! I'll see if I can catch another one here. That'd be nice.
I'll give you some alone time, see if you can ball him.
Well, that's what happened last time you and I fished together. I slammed them right after you left. Because I guarantee I would have caught more individually because they just get confused with 2 lines.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know if it's confusion. They're just like, that looks suspicious. But I already marked one. There's a high flyer down there too. Got him.
Transition out. Got it. Want it out?
Hold on. Wrapped around it for a second. Yep, pull it.
Told you this is when I leave and you start mauling them.
It's a single line down there, I'm telling you. Got one. Not a very big one though. Boat flip. Another little stubby one. All right, the weather's getting brutal, folks, so that's it for the Sebago video. First time out here, we're on about 5.5 inches of good ice, and I'll be out here back again this year. If you guys want to use the baits in this video, this is the medium-sized baits, the 3/8 ounce and the 3-inch swim bait. And if you guys want to see more lake trout videos, either click here or click here, and I'll see you on one of those next videos.